And we're back. Welcome back to the Family I'm Gone Run channel. My name is Nada, and today this segment once again is going to be sports. If you've seen my previous videos that not going well, we cannot do sports to save our lives, okay? But I'm going to be learning how to skate. I do not know how to skate at all, first time actually. So I'm going to take you back into the field with our skater. First contender, Siham, just because she's my cameraman today. But we're going to see her skate. Go, Siham. Okay. Yeah, guys, we're doing this in the rain. We should not be doing this in the rain. We're doing the most dangerous way possible as beginners, but why not, you know what I mean? Life on the edge. Oh! Oh! Gee! Ooh! I see him. Why are you lying, bro? I bet you played this before. I'm not even lie to you. The last time Tanya had escaped me. Well, wow, shit. Guys, she's telling me, yeah, she doesn't know how to skate, but she knows how to skate. You know what I mean? Fishy things. Oh, should I show the trick? Oh wait, she's showing us a trick. Hold. Go, Sam, go. I don't know if I can do it here, but we're gonna see. Have to. Beginner, yeah? Hey, we got a prodigy up in our joint. She's gonna go to the skate competition. I don't know what it's called. You know, I swear it's my skateboard, but she took it. Ready? Let me actually try to land it this time. Oh, okay. It's very big. Okay. Wait. Trust me, I don't think that's it. Well, I'm scared. Don't try this at home. Nothing happened. I gotta hype myself up. Jeez, is that another year? 1 second on the skateboard. My heart. My heart stopped. Jeez, look at. Come on, mate. Alright, we're done. Let's go. How'd you do it? Will you put your feet under? Okay, yeah. And then jump on. This is the most deadest way to do a trick now. Come on. Yeah, you have to jump onto it, you know? Come on, Sia. Show. Show you. Ooh! I've learned you let it go. That's right. Let me just explain Siam's life lesson. You gotta let it go. Okay? If this board falls, you don't fall. Fly. Board falls, you don't fall. You don't fall with the board. You don't fall with it. It's every man for himself. We're gonna be changing location. Nice. Apparently it's the wheel. Alright, Miss Scientist, what are you saying? Miss Scientist, what are you talking about the wheel? Hardness of the wheel, the tightness of the wheel. So apparently the hardness of the wheel interrupts the Earth's atmosphere, so then the tightness also. No, I didn't say that. Look at this skating. This is supposed to be a beginner video, but what's she doing? Oh guys, my glasses. Ooh. I am a beginner, what do you mean? She's a beginner, but you know what she's doing? She knows how to skate apparently. You know, stupid, she knows how to skate. This is what I mean. I don't like playing with these type of people, bro. They're like cheaters in life. Don't get with them, guys. She don't know how to tell. I don't know how to tell anybody. Honestly, guys, it's my first time filming outside, so if you can't hear anything, I'm filming. Keep it quiet. If you can't hear anything, that's not my problem. It's my first time. We'll get a mic in future purposes. Do you try to bump me? Excuse me? My girl came right in front of my face. Hey, yo, you're stop, big man. You're stop, big man. What you can do, man? Why are we stop? Don't we do? Butter feet. Yeah. Yeah, this mic. Yeah. We should go park. Yeah, let's go park. The things I do for YouTube, guys. You know what I mean? Oh, you know what I hate? You know when you see on YouTube when they're walking? Why is the camera? The camera's always here. And they're always walking like this. Up here, guys. Nice and straight. Alright, we're walking. It turns out that thing is closed. Everything's closed. This is sad.
I never knew. A park could be closed.
We didn't know a park could be closed.
A pitch, you know.
A pitch. So we don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna try.
Climb over the gate.
We're not gonna climb over the gate. We're not gonna climb over the gate. That's just stupid. We're gonna walk around and see for search. So we'll see you guys there.
I mean, I saw in the movies they kind of get rocks and bat it.
Man said they get rocks and bat it. We're not okay. We're not criminals. We come to say that. So like,
right. Yeah. Same.
I'm gonna transition.
Zoom. I know all the information, but I can't put
Safe tip by Siham, apparently. Instead of going...
No, I saw it on YouTube. Bro.
Saw it on YouTube, but we're going to take it as ours. Safety tip, if you're going fast, just go fast. Go ham. Go Usain Bolt. Don't be a little bitch. Don't be a snail. You're going to hurt yourself if you do that. So yeah, that's the tip we learned. And we're still walking around. Majority of this video is us just... Where are we going? It's very hard to find it when this place ain't skate park friendly. Where we go?
As if I know how to skate.
It's been so long since we went outside. Oh, wait, hold on.
I know how to skate. I'm gonna crash into the car.
Man, she's going. You're like 6 feet away from the car. You're gonna crash in the car, apparently.
Yeah, I told you I don't have to like turn.
Is she doing it wrong, skaters? Are we doing it wrong? I feel like we're doing it wrong. Skater, are we doing it wrong?
Skater squad.
Skater squad. Skater house, are we doing it wrong?
Can you move up my way?
Why are you skating next to me?
Because I don't have to skate.
My girl, why are you skating next to me like glue,
You're
fam?
meant to catch me.
She's skating next to me like glue, fam. You know, it's not safe. It's not safe, but you know what we're doing?
Nice as well.
You know, he's so loud, embarrassing on us, fam. He's trying to like call everyone.
When you don't know how to skate, you don't really want that to be showing.
You know what I mean? I don't want to embarrass myself in public. Why'd you keep fucking doing the thing? Okay, we're gonna go again. It's locked again. Another one. Why is everything locked? We might have to work to our original position, you know, there we go, no?
Okay, I understand why people go to Liverpool Street and how to do it.
Yeah. We should have went Liverpool Street, but
We actually can't. It's not fun.
I'm scared. There's people there.
It's not fun.
There's people down Liverpool Street.
No, because it's raining and no one's outside.
But I'm embarrassed.
I don't care if you're embarrassed, to be honest with you. That seems like a you problem.
You know, I'm. This is my first time filming outside, and I'm already going to Liverpool Street. That's a big step.
Right. Yeah,
That's that's a big step for me, lads. I'm still kind of embarrassed filming like this.
Shall I go on the pavement?
I'm apologizing. This video is just failure after failure, apparently. I just can't get one good one. Why we did this in a rainy day in London? Not even in rainy. Why did we do this in the winter? We're stupid, yeah? I accept that.
I mean, I always accepted that because I knew that there was, but you know what I mean?
That's a bit me.
Like, coming from me.
I don't want to hear you. Oh my god.
I want to be good. This car coming.
This car coming, guys. Get off the road, seat fast. Okay, we're gonna go back. I'll see you guys again. Wilden, she's going downhill.
Don't know how to skate yet, but I'm going downhill.
Oh yeah, she did it.
It's so fucking hard to turn. Right, my balance isn't.
Don't swear, this is a family-friendly channel. Why is she doing actually kind of good? I'm getting salty. She's doing better than me. This is my channel. She's doing better. What's it mine? She's doing it better than me. This is my channel. She's gonna catch these goddamn hands. I swear to God. I don't know. Are you doing the uphill slope bit? Wheelie? Wheelie?
So fucking hard. Oh,
Wheelie? That one a wheelie, hon.
so it's the skills. You sure you want to see that?
And forward.
Where's that car?
Why didn't you skate off?
I'm trying to do it and then there's a car. That's really bad.
No, I think that's a you problem. You could have easily skated away.
The universe is saying no.
Sorry about this poor interviewing skills. No, I wasn't even like.
The universe
it wasn't
said,
even on you.
No, you're not skating down it.
Okay, show us. Come on, ketchup, show us.
Ketchup.
Fly like ketchup, dude.
My nose is running.
That's not gonna stop you. Come mate, easy glide.
I didn't say go in the building. Nada, please.
It's hard. It's too hard.
If it helps, you need to be willing to fall.
I'm not gonna
Like, I literally prepared myself to fall today.
I'm not gonna fall.
You need to fall.
I'm not gonna fall.
You're gonna need to fall.
What's that? You know it's rainy, it's not stopping me.
Excuse me, Miss Film. Come, mate.
I'm such a, you know, you're so needy.
Yeah.
You just like, stop starting me. Honestly, I think I'm getting better.
Honestly, what can I agree?
I think I'm a pro.
Let's roll with her. Let's roll with her. Never mind, we're not rolling with her.
He's like, leave it and run. He's like,
Fuck it. Fuck. Let's leave it.
okay, we haven't turned yet.
Do you want to try turning? Never mind.
Wow, I'm not turning already.
Okay, barely, but
We can go. This video is gonna end with us just going in a straight line.
you know what I mean? That was enough for day one. You know?
I'm probably gonna do a video in like 5 months. Alright, one last glide. This is your last one, yeah? See, it's a skater championships. She's getting ready for it. Is she gonna do the glide? 3. Oh, she's going off. Oh, right. 3, 2, 1. Slide! That is embarrassing. That was embarrassing. That was embarrassing. Alright. 3, 2, 1. She's going off. She's off. She's sliding. She's going. She's sliding.
The thing is, I really don't know how to turn.
See how you feel? How do you feel after that glide?
You know? There's no one here, but I'm like looking around acting like there's people here. I feel cold. I want to go home.
Same. I feel cold as well, guys.
That was enough for today.
That was enough for today. We'll see you guys probably in 5 months when I'm not decent.
Come back with day 2.
Come back a day 2 in 5 months. Anyway, that was all for today. See, I'm doing the outro with me.
Oh, right.
Do the outro. Come on. So it's back to you in the studio, Jeff.
Back in the studio.
No,
Oh.
man. Do it properly. You gotta go like this. Like a clap. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Back to you in the. Oh my God, unprofessional people. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Back to you in the studio. Back to you in the studio, Jeff.